Gail from Woolswap. Welcome to day 12 of my Vlogmas. Today I thought I'd come to you whilst on one of my walks and show you my backyard in the Brisbane city. And behind me is one of our most famous landmarks, the Story Bridge. And it's always lit up at night time and stuff. So we live really close to here, but this is one of our walks. So hope you enjoy all the sights. So we've now made it to our botanical gardens, right in the heart of the city. Just see some. It's nice to be out in nature for a change. Hi, just come back in from my walk and yeah, it's a bit hot today, so I thought I'd just sit out on our balcony, so if you can hear some ambient noise in the background, that's why. Okay, let's get into the reveal for day 12. Here we go. Here's VK Yarns. This is the last day, and I know a lot of people have done 12 days, would be probably opening them from today onwards, but I couldn't wait. Too impatient, eh? Okay, so we're just gonna be careful because there's always something extra in here. Okay, so first of all, I'll read the little thing. The weather outside is frightful, but the yarn is so delightful. And since we have no place to go, one more row, one more row, one more row. Yay! Okay, these are the freebies. Oh, some cute little stitch markers. Oh, these are really good. So there's a star. Oh, they're all stars and they have numbers on them. That's pretty cool. Let's see them. I'll show them up in the photo a bit better. And the final colour is, yay! Look at that. So, pinks, orange, red, flecks of black or really dark purple maybe. Hope you can see that. Perfect. My candy wrap is going to look amazing. I'll show you tomorrow the progress on that. Okay, let's get into day 12 for pineapple yarns. Ooh. 12. Oh. Oh. Try not to rip this thing. There we go. Oh, I Okay, cool. Again, very similar to yesterday's. Slightly darker grey. Okay. That's pretty cool. Alright. Okay. And we've got black elephant. What colour I've got here? I swear I haven't looked. Just gotta get it together. Blue, aqua, green, love. This would make a great great jumper. Okay, so lucky last, the discreet unicorn, number 12, a green stripy bag today. Right, what do we reckon? Ooh, something extra in today. A unicorn sticker. Yes. That's amazing. She definitely likes unicorns. And here we go. Oh yeah. It's pretty cool. Yeah. It's a bit of fluoro orange, fluoro yellow, the tones are amazing. Oh yes, love it. Okay, that's day 12 for the yarn, but I just wanted to show you one other thing that happened to me today, and I need you to comment below if it's happened to you. So I was working on my my stripy advent sweater, and this happened this morning. Bang bang, broke. So these are Knit Pro Zings, which are my favourite needles. But yeah, fixed circulars but busted. So luckily I had some Tiagos, which I actually think I've done a couple of rows with them, and I think they actually, the stitches slide through them a little bit easier. So so disappointing. And as Dean, my partner, said when I told him, he goes, oh, you must have been just knitting way too hard and fast. And I was like, yeah, that's it. Anyway, knitting disaster, but she's okay. I got lots of needles, so I was able to swap them out. Comment below if you've had any knitting disasters lately. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's episode and enjoyed the few little video footage I took on our walk earlier and of Brisbane. And yeah, like always, stay safe, stay well, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye.